Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, where English learning is exciting. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're about to step into a new reality. If you pay close attention, this could be the moment that changes everything for you. I'm here to tell you something that others might not say, something that can ignite a passion in your heart. Let me ask you, are you truly happy with where your life is right now? If tomorrow wasn't promised, would you feel proud of what you've achieved? If your answer is no, then this is your sign to wake up. Your life won't change by chance. The life you dream of will only come when you start taking action. Stop making excuses. Stop telling yourself, I don't have the skills, I'm not ready yet, I'm too busy, or I'll do it tomorrow. These are just ways to avoid putting in the effort. Do you know why most people don't succeed? It's not because they're unlucky or not smart enough, but because they don't take action. They complain instead of solving their problems. Successful people didn't have it easy. They struggled, failed, and faced rejection, but they kept going. They didn't give up. What's stopping you from succeeding? The only thing is your mindset. Imagine waking up in your dream house, seeing your family happy and proud. You've worked hard to give them a peaceful and happy life. It may seem impossible now, but it's not. You can make it happen, but it starts with you. You need to take control of your life. The habits you have today will decide your future. If you spend your time on things that don't help you grow, like watching TV or wasting time on your phone, you're wasting your future. Every moment you waste is a moment you can never get back. Successful people don't waste time. They read, learn, and work on their goals every day. Are you doing the same? Think about your parents. They worked hard to give you a better life. Your mom carried you for 9 months, and your dad worked hard to provide for you. Now it's your turn. What are you doing to make them proud? Imagine how happy they will be when you give them everything they dreamed of. When you buy them a house and make their lives easier. This is not just about money. It's about showing them your love and respect. It's about giving them the life they deserve. But success needs sacrifice. If you want to succeed, you must be willing to work hard. It means waking up early when you want to sleep. It means working on your dreams when your friends are having fun. It means saying no to distractions and yes to hard work. There's a story of a man who wanted to succeed. He asked for advice from a wise person. The wise man took him to the beach, put his head under water for a few seconds, and said, "When you want success as much as you want to breathe, you will achieve it." Do you want success as much as you want to breathe? Surround yourself with the right people. If your friends are negative or lazy, you'll end up the same way. You become like the people you spend time with. If you want to succeed, find people who inspire you. If that means letting go of some friends, do it. Your future is too important to let others stop you. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. People will try to tell you that you can't succeed, but you can prove them wrong. Believe in your ability to make your dreams come true. Failure is not the end. It's just a lesson. Everyone who is successful has failed many times. Failure teaches you something, so don't be afraid of it. Make time for yourself. Life is busy, work, social media, and other responsibilities take up most of your time. But it's important to take a few minutes each day to think about your goals. It's not wasted time, it helps you focus. Talk to yourself. It may sound strange, but tell yourself, I can do this. I'm strong. I'm capable. Your mind believes what you tell it. If you tell yourself you can't do something, you won't. But if you believe you can, you will. Write down your goals. Picture your dream life. Imagine waking up in your dream home, working in your dream job, and having the freedom to do what you love. This is possible, but it needs action. You can achieve anything, but only if you work for it. Control your thoughts. Your mind is powerful. The more you focus on positive thoughts, the more you will achieve. Stop letting negative thoughts control you. Whenever you think something negative, change it to something positive. Say to yourself every day, I am capable. I can do this. I will succeed. The more you believe this, the closer you get to your goals. Start small, but dream big. Success doesn't happen overnight. It happens step by step. If you want to get fit, start with 10 minutes of exercise a day. If you want to learn English, start by learning 5 words a day. If you want to save money, start saving a little every week. These small steps add up. Be your own biggest supporter. Don't wait for others to cheer you on. Be proud of your progress, even if it's small. Celebrate your achievements and keep pushing yourself forward. Ask yourself every day, what did I do today to get closer to my goals? Consistency is key. Every small step you take will lead you to your dreams. Lastly, be thankful. Appreciate everything you have. It keeps you grounded and motivated. Every day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. It helps you stay positive and focused. Now, think about this for a moment. If you want something great, something extraordinary, you cannot expect it to just fall into your lap. You must be willing to work for it. No one achieves greatness by being passive or waiting for the perfect circumstances. The world doesn't owe you anything. You have to go out and take what you want. Stop settling for less. Stop telling yourself, this is good enough when you know you are capable of so much more. You don't have to live a life of mediocrity. You don't have to just accept what's handed to you. You can reach for the stars and go beyond what you ever thought was possible, but it won't come easy. It takes grit, determination, and relentless effort. It demands that you give up some things, sacrifice your comfort, and push through when everything inside you wants to quit. Success doesn't come to those who wait for it to happen. It comes to those who create it. Your dreams, your ambitions, your goals, they're all within reach, but you have to be willing to fight for them. You are worthy of everything you desire, but you must show up every day, consistently giving your best effort. When you face challenges, don't retreat. When things get hard, don't give up. Instead, take it as an opportunity to show the world how strong you really are. Each challenge is just another test of your resolve, another chance to prove that you won't be stopped. Your future starts today. The moment you choose to take action, to push yourself harder, and to commit to your vision, your future begins to unfold. The choice is yours. Will you settle for what's easy, or will you rise to the occasion, push past your limits, and work towards your dreams with everything you've got? The power to shape your future is entirely in your hands. You have the ability to create the life you've always wanted. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every single day is an opportunity to move closer to your goals. Every small step you take, every ounce of effort you put in, adds up over time. Progress is the sum of your daily actions, your commitment, and your refusal to give up when things get tough. Don't let the fear of failure stop you. Don't let the discomfort of growth discourage you. Every challenge you overcome is a victory that brings you closer to the life you've imagined. So keep working. Stay focused. Even when the road gets tough, keep moving forward. And most importantly, never stop believing in yourself. No one else will believe in you the way you can believe in yourself. Your belief is the fuel that will keep you going when the world tries to tell you it's impossible. So push forward, keep striving, and stay committed. You have what it takes. And when you look back one day, you'll see that every bit of hard work, every sacrifice, every moment of persistence was worth it. Your dreams are waiting. Go and make them real. Keep learning and growing until you're the best. Your life is shaped by the choices you make every day. From the moment you wake up, you are deciding who you want to be. Are you making choices that bring you closer to your dreams or holding yourself back? Promise yourself today to choose growth over comfort, discipline over laziness, and courage over fear. You may think you're doing your best, but you can do even better. Every time you feel like giving up, push yourself a little more. When you think you can't do something, tell yourself, yes, I can. The truth is, growth happens when you step outside your comfort zone. If it doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. Take risks, try new things, and don't be afraid to fail. Even if you fail, you're ahead of those who never tried. If you're the smartest or most motivated person in your group, find new people who inspire and challenge you to be better. Time is limited, so stop acting like you have forever. Every second you waste is gone for good. Imagine looking back on your life. Would you regret not taking risks? Start living like your time matters, because it does. You're not too young, and you're not too old to start. Age is just a number. There's no such thing as the right time to begin, so stop waiting for it. That perfect moment you think is coming? It's an illusion. It doesn't exist. The truth is, the best time to start is now. Don't wait for circumstances to align. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. If you keep waiting, you might miss your opportunity to create the life you truly desire. When you look at successful people, you might think they were just lucky, like they had everything fall into their laps. But that's not the case. They weren't born into success, nor did it come easily. They worked relentlessly. They made sacrifices, faced obstacles, and kept going despite challenges. They were consistent, disciplined, and unwavering in their pursuit of their goals. They didn't get where they were by accident. They earned it, and so can you. You are fully capable of achieving success, and you have everything you need to get started today. Ask yourself, why can't I do this? Why can't I create the life I've always dreamed of? Why can't I inspire others and make a difference? Stop doubting your abilities. Stop putting limitations on yourself. If others, people with their own struggles, doubts, and fears, can do it, why can't you? You have the same potential, the same capacity for growth, and the same ability to overcome challenges. Your past doesn't define who you are or who you can become. It doesn't matter where you came from, how much money you have, or what mistakes you've made along the way. The only thing that matters is where you decide to go from here. You are not bound by your past. In fact, your past can serve as a valuable lesson, a reminder that you've already overcome challenges. Every mistake, every failure, is just another stepping stone to your future success. Your potential is unlimited. It's only up to you to unlock it. Every single day is a fresh opportunity, a new chance to be better than you were yesterday. You have the power to become stronger, smarter, and better. The only thing standing in your way is the decision to grow. It's about deciding that you want more for yourself. It's about choosing to take action instead of sitting back and waiting for things to change on their own. Growth isn't always comfortable, but it's always worth it. Every small step you take toward becoming who you want to be will get you closer to the person you're destined to become. So, make the choice today. Choose growth, choose progress, and choose to step into the future you've always dreamed of. Stop blaming others for your problems, your boss, your parents, or your situation. They don't control your future, you do. Take responsibility for where you are now, and take control of where you're going. No excuses, no complaints, just action. Let your success speak for itself. While others are talking, you should be working. Keep your focus and don't worry about proving anything to anyone. Your results will show your worth. Don't get distracted by the noise around you. Stay focused on your path. Every small win counts. Woke up early? That's a victory. Completed a task? Another win. Success isn't made in one big leap. It's built from consistent, small steps every day. Celebrate each step, no matter how small, because it brings you closer to your goal. Here's your challenge. Don't just listen, take action. What will you do differently starting today? What habits will you change? What goals will you set? Write them down, visualize them, and take action. You have one life. Make it count. Time is precious, and every wasted moment is gone forever. Dream big, aim high, and work relentlessly for those dreams. The world is waiting for you. Your time to rise and make your mark is now. You have everything inside you to inspire others. The life you dream of is within reach, but only if you take the first step. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting for the perfect moment because it won't come. The perfect moment is now. Work hard, stay focused, and never give up. The journey will have its challenges, but each one will make you stronger and more resilient. You're capable of achieving everything you set your mind to. Don't let anything stand in your way. Go out there and make it happen. You are unstoppable.